Hey guys, welcome back. Thanks for coming to the show. I'm so happy you're here. Today I'm going to show you how to make a super cute little floating ghost that you can put outside or inside, it doesn't matter. And it is super ass cheap. You are gonna love this. So I'm gonna show you some pictures of the couple of ghosts that I made, and then I'm gonna show you how to do this. And it's super quick too, so get ready. So the first thing that you want is a bag of bags. So this is just a regular size grocery bag, you know, Walmart or whatever. And I think I put maybe 11 other bags in there. So then I'm just going to, see how you have your two handles? So I'm going to tuck the one in, and then I'm going to bring the other one around and just kind of pull it tight. Right? Okay. So there it is. That's the head. Done. The next thing you're gonna want is, this is the tablecloth that I was telling you about. You want to get the rectangle one, okay? And then you're gonna take your scissors. These are really dirty because I've been cutting duct tape, sorry. Anyway, you're just gonna cut it in half. So, I know you can't tell, but I cut this in half, okay? And I still need to open it up, but we'll do that in a minute. So now that we've got that done, the next thing is you're gonna take a tie. Some people call them twist ties. I don't know, my parents always called them tie-ties, so that's what they are to me. Anyways, you just need a little bit, okay, like this much. And then you're gonna take your fingers and just kind of bend it so that you have like a little loop, you know, so that you can hang it. Oops, I flipped it. Can you see that? Okay. Then you're gonna take your duct tape. Check this out, look how cool that is. All right? Anyways, then you're gonna take a couple pieces of duct tape and you're gonna tape it on to the bag of bags. Now, I like to take one piece of duct tape. Boy, that is really some sticky shit. I take one piece of duct tape and then I cut it into like 3 smaller pieces. Okay. And then I'm gonna just tape that onto the bag of bags on the top part, because that's where it's gonna hang. So this is what I was doing. Can you see it? I just took a whole bunch of duct tape and I put it on top of the little hook thing that we made, and that's that. Okay, so the next thing you're gonna do is you're gonna go ahead and open up the tablecloth And then you're gonna find the middle, or where you want the head to go. Maybe you want the front of it to come down a little bit shorter. Maybe, I don't know what you guys want to do. But anyways, okay. So there he is. All right, isn't he so cute? Great. Now, you take your scissors and just cut a little tiny little hole. I don't know why I just said that twice like Jimmy 2 times. And then so there you go. It's just enough for the little hooky to come through, right? Right. Now the next thing is you're gonna make the eyes and the mouth. So I just take, you know, a piece of duct tape. So I take a piece of duct tape, cut it, and then I just cut a circle. Or maybe you don't want to do a circle, maybe you want to do, I don't know what you want to do. Okay, so I just cut this out. This is gonna be his mouth. Now when you're doing this, make sure you put it low enough, because otherwise he's gonna be just, his eyes are gonna be way up here, you know what I mean? It's just not gonna look right. So make sure you put it down low enough. Okay, there he is. Okay, all right, now we're gonna do the eyes. Okay guys, I got another little animal fact for you. Here's this one. Did you know that in the water, an alligator can swim up to 22 miles an hour, but when they're on land, they can only go 11 miles an hour. So you got a better chance. Here's our eyes. Okay. So let's just go ahead and, I gotta turn this around so I can see him. Give him an eye there. And an eye there. Okay. Now, you can tie his neck if you want, or you can leave him go, either way. The last step, well, the almost last step, is you're gonna take your black Sharpie, or whatever it is, and you're gonna just color over the duct tape. There he is. Okay. So now our last part is to hook up the fishing line. Okay, got some fishing line. So we're just gonna thread it through the little hook and then tie it in a couple of knots and make sure that it's sturdy, because, you know, wind and birds and shit. I don't know. Okay. That's it. Thanks so much for coming to the show today. I hope you guys had fun. Super easy, super quick, super cheap, just like I like it. So anyways, have a happy Halloween and have fun making your ghosts. See you next time, guys.